What's happening, everybody? It's Johnny Snow in the building, and this video we're gonna go over a couple of questions that people have been asking me. Yeah, and these have been popping up in my feed all just for the last few days. How did I build this gun? What's the parts list? And why doesn't this gun jump? So this Draco, this Micro, is actually built from a regular Draco. I got the hot dog bun right here. And all I did, it's a real simple setup. It's a very simple setup. Basically, what I did was I, of course, took the hot dog bun off and put a quad rail on here. The quad rail is from Texas Shooter Supply. And it's the Micro Draco Texas Shooter Supply quad rail. And with this quad rail, it does require a drill in the top of the weapon. So just know that you have to have a drill hole in the top. And from there, we'll go to the foregrip and the thumb stop. The foregrip is from Night Strike Industries, and this is a Night Strike Diamondback. Go to nightstrike.com and look for the Diamondback. They have several different foregrips. This is a Diamondback, all right? And I have a Baldor light laser combo on here, and I got that off of Amazon, and it's about $150. They have it on sale from time to time, for a little bit cheaper, but regularly about $150, the light laser combo. And let's see, let's go to the pistol grip. This is the NDZ Performance, skeletonized pistol grip. Just go to NDZ Performance or type in NDZ, AK pistol grip. This will pop right up. So NDZ Performance, and it's the all aluminum pistol grip. Next, we have the buffer and brace combo. All right. The buffer is Strike Industries. The brace is also Strike Industries. And I got this from Optics Planet. Optics Planet has both of these. So Strike Industries, buffer and brace. And last, I have the Jmac Laf14. And I actually just changed this over because I had been running a Barrett Style muzzle device on this gun. And the main difference is, of course, one is the design, but both of them are extremely loud, extremely obnoxious. But this one costs $25. This one cost me, with shipping, probably about $115. So $115, $25. And actually, what I'm going to do is show you the difference between a $25 muzzle brake and a $115 muzzle brake. All right, check this out. All right, here we have the $25 muzzle brake off of eBay. It's not that bad. You see that it is keeping it from jumping and it isn't rising that much. All right, here we have the $115 muzzle brake from Jmac. And this muzzle brake is keeping the gun a whole lot more steady. And, I can tell a definite difference in the brakes. Here we have the $25 one again. And you can see more jumping, more rising, but it is still doing a good job for $25. I mean, there's a big difference between 25 and 115. It's up to you which one you like better, but I think it still does a good job. Here's the Jmac one more time, and I can tell a definite difference. I think it's a better one, but hey, it's 115 bucks. Just in case anybody was wondering, I have the same setup on the Comrade with the thumb stop, Diamondback, and muzzle brake. All right, so you see the comparison between the two, between the $115 muzzle brake, $25 muzzle brake. You decide whether or not you want to spend $115 or not. All right, so basically, let me go ahead and explain my theory on why this gun does not jump all over the place. All right, so one, the muzzle brake with the top of the muzzle brake provides downward force, and it does not basically allow the gun to jump because it's pushing. And then with the sides being the way they are, they keep it from really going back because the force is being expelled out the sides. And also I have this foregrip on here where you put your 3 fingers, 1 finger, thumb. 3 finger, 1 finger, thumb. And with the brace in combination with that, I have a very good grip on the weapon. A very good grip on the weapon. Whereas with this, you can't grip nothing with this. You cannot grip anything at all with this. It's just sitting on your hand. It's going to jump out of your hand. Period, point blank. Here, you got a good grip. You know, great grip on the gun. And you have pressure being put. Then you have your brace, so the gun stays where you want the gun to stay. And then, of course, with the muzzle brake on there, that provides the other downward force, side force, and everything to keep this gun steady. And that is the whole recipe to stop a Micro Draco from jumping all over the place. You've seen it on the video. Now, let me do a final rundown on how much everything costs and where to get it. Jmac Laf14. Go to Jmac Customs on Google and $115. This right here, Barrett muzzle brake, and $25 on eBay. You have the Night Strike Diamondback. Go to nightstrike.com, search Diamondback, and it was like $32. And you have the thumb stop that was from Optics Planet. And one last thing about this thumb stop, it also serves the purpose of keeping my thumb from being burnt off. So there are flames that fly outside of this weapon, and the thumb stop keeps my thumb right there, and you can see the burn marks on the back side of the thumb stop. So this was about $13, all right? The Baldor from Olight, Baldor Pro, it's about $150. Quad rail from Texas Shooter Supply. The Baldor, I got it from Amazon. You know, just Amazon, 150 bucks. Quad rail from Texas Shooter Supply, $183. The pistol grip from NDZ Performance, it came up to 100 bucks. Was shipping 110 maybe. These were $40 a piece. Buffer tube and pistol brace. Get them. They're Strike Industries. You get them from Optics Planet. All right. So that is pretty much the rundown, and you know, it's a very simple build, and really, you know, the way I see it, I want people to be able to do their own stuff. I want to show you. I don't want to, you know, keep it to myself. So basically, just, you know, just get this rundown that I just gave you. You'll be able to put this gun together. And really, only thing I ask in return, if you do build this gun, call it a Snow Draco. Call it a Snow Draco. It's the only thing I ask. So, you know, there you have it. You know how to build this gun. Johnny Snow up out of here.